Hi, I'm Santi. Welcome back to the channel. So, in this video, we have seen something called no coding. What a no coding web designing means. How can you design a website without using a code, and the tools available with us in the market. So, one of the tool was Weebly. So, we'll be looking into the Weebly in this video. So, this is your Weebly website. So you have two options. If you have already signed up, you can log in. If not, you can just go and sign up. Let me just sign up for this. So you enter your details. And enter your phone number as a country, and then just check this. Go through the agreements and privacy policy. Then once you have done it, you will be redirected and you will be getting a notification in your mail also. So you see, here you have two options. One is I just need a website, another thing is with an online store. So if your business is related to online store, or you are planning to develop an e-commerce website, then you can go with an online store. If you are not, then just click on I just need a website. So again, these are the templates that you have already with them. So you can select it according to your category, that is either is it your business or a portfolio website or a personal website you are going to design, or you are going to design it for an event or for a blog or a landing page or for any other things. So initially you can go with any of this. So let's check this how it is. So you'll get a theme preview here, how your theme looks. So for designing any web page, first you need to have the layout with you. So first you need to know what all the elements that are to be in the web page and where it has to be. So this is your web page, basic web page. So if you don't want this, you can select any other ones. The only thing is you can't create it from a scratch here. So I'll just go to this theme and I'll just click on start editing. Let's see how we can do this. So here you need to select a domain if you want, otherwise just leave it. So just reload it if you are getting any errors. Let's see. So here you have two options, one is for upgrade and one is for publish. So you need to select a domain here. So this is how you can design. You can just click on the element. You see you have some off, and then you can even on it text, or you can change it to logo. You can upload any logo from your local browser, local files, then you can upload it to this page. So again you can change your images here, you can change your menu items here. So what I'll do is I'll try creating my own portfolio using this. So I have downloaded my profile pic here, so I'll keep it as my logo. So once it, you see, this is how my logo looks. So if you want, you can even edit those things. You can change your logo size. You see, you can crop it, or you can adjust, you can add the text, or any other changes that you wanted to do. And next we'll be looking into menu. So here I have some items, so I'll change it to, so if I click on services, it redirects me to some other page. You see. So what I'll do is, I don't want those kind of things. So first I just here I'll be designing a single page application. So just I'll change this to so if you see here, these are the pages that were already created. So you can't add them, but you can change it from the pages section. So you can create your own pages here. So again, another drawback here is you can create your own menu. As of now I can't see the properties, so let's just explore together. So here these are the pages that gets displayed here, and each page has an option to whether you need to show it in the navigation bar or not. And these are the theme details. You can change your theme whenever you wanted. Okay, you can even change your fonts also, the site title, navigation menu, you can change anything. Then you have theme options. If you want search bar, you can on collapse menu. If you want, you can on. So this is how your collapse menu looks. Banner background if you want, if not you can just remove it. Next comes your apps. So apps are nothing but these are your modules which you wanted to add it to your website. So if you wanted to show any graphs, or if you wanted to have any social media apps, you can use this. So these are the apps. Okay, you have e-commerce apps, communication apps, marketing apps, and then social media apps. This is site tools and all. So if you want, you can even add bookings. If your site has some bookings, you can add the booking plugins. You can call them as plugins also, or otherwise you can even add a calendars or a counters. You can even add your videos. If you have any videos, you see you have media gallery here. You have a plugin for running Vimeo videos or normal local videos. Everything you have here. So just close this. Again, whatever pages you just keep on adding here, it gets added to your menu. So whenever you're making changes, you need and creating a new pages, it will be added into the menu automatically. So your next section is banner with a background image and a foreground text. So here again you can change your text, or you can add your own element here. So if you see, if you just go to the bottom, just click on build. So here you can do two things. See, you can embed a code, or you can create a new section here. You see, since this is a footer, it got added here. In this you can add a gallery or a contact form or a menu or a featured item or a team. I mean, you can mention your team members also. So inside this, if you don't want, again you can drag your own section or you can drag elements in this. So you see, if you are having an e-commerce, you can have your products displayed here. If not, you can showcase your search box or any quotes you can give, or creating any forms, cookie opt-out options like that. So what you can do is, I'll just drag the title and drop it here. You see, you got the title. So just try adding your title. Then you can add your other images or a text here. So if you want, you can even add section inside a section or section on top of it. So once you have added a section, so you have a move option also. If you want, you can move this section anywhere. If you want to, you can even copy it. You can edit your background, you can add your image or color gradient, or you can even add a video to your background. So this is also a good feature. Let's say I just wanted to add some text. So you see, this is your text. So again, here I have undo and redo options. I can change the text, everything. Edit your background. You can customize your footer from here. Again, this is your layout change. So if you wanted to see how it looks in your mobile, then you can change it to your mobile version. This is how it looks in your mobile. And this is how it looks in your desktop. So, and about this tool, who can use it, how can they use it, and when they can use it. So whoever want to just have a limited features in their website and they are okay with not having much of the knowledge, I mean, like, they don't have any knowledge on web designing or any elements in website designing and all, or website languages like HTML, CSS, they can go with this because they don't have to give any specific properties like spacing and all. It is already predefined here. So you can just directly drag your elements that you look like and you can start editing your content. You can replace it with your content and you can create your new pages here, and you can directly link them to your menu. And here in the menu you have options to change. So if you just focus on the pros, so you have direct blogs. So no need of any CSS knowledge or HTML knowledge. You can directly drag your blocks and you can place it wherever you want it. Next is you have as I said, no knowledge required. knowledge of HTML or CSS is required. CSS is required. When this can be used. If you are having a basic startup or a fresh idea, then you can start using this website. Using this tool to create your website, because if it is your a basic startup or your website has a basic elements in it, you don't need much of your changes or much of the options to make changes or create your website. Whoever wants to design their website, they can use this. As I said earlier also, if at all you are designing a web page or a website, you need to have some basic designing knowledge so that you know which things goes first and which thing goes in the correct place. So even if your background is a little bit of graphic designer, then it will be of a good chance to create your first website using Weebly. So in the Weebly, again, if you get upgraded, you can sync it to your domain, and you can get them published. And if you wanted to remove the watermark, again you need to get upgrade to any of the plans apart from free version. And ratings about this, so I can say that okay, I can prefer this tool or a software or a website to a friend who's a startup. Who's a starter for website designing, and he doesn't know any languages like HTML, CSS or JavaScript, any of this, and who's just wanted a single page, who doesn't want more of the features in his website. So I'll be sharing the other tools also in other videos.